Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you my new set of paints. This box of glittering neon colors is really hard to put down. The 36 color set of paints is more than enough to use. I'm so happy. At the beginning, use a very light color, so it's okay if you make a mistake. First, determine the position of the object to be drawn on the paper, and then sketch the outline with a fine liner. If you feel that the lines you've drawn are not straight enough, you can draw a couple more. You might say, won't that look like a sketch? Well, I want to tell you that sometimes sketches can be really beautiful. In this process, you can appropriately add or subtract some details, with the aim of making your sketch look more pleasing to your own liking. When sketching, you actually have options. You can either closely follow the reference image or be creative in your drawing. Remember, the reference image is just a tool. How to use color in brushstrokes is also very much worth considering. Fortunately, you have the full ability to control your work and make it recognizable. Applying color from light to dark is a basic technique in watercolor painting, but of course, you don't have to follow it. I usually start with analogous colors because they have a weaker contrast and are easier to control. If I make a mistake, it's still possible to correct it. The more layers of color, the more delicate the painting appears. The richer the color variations, the more attractive the painting becomes. Of course, some people also prefer simple colors. There is another important point to note, which is the color balance in the painting. Complementary colors often provide a good sense of balance, such as red and green, blue and orange, etc. But pay attention to the contrast in the size of the areas.